This is 305 CDE Assignment 2. I would like to present how to use RESTful API to get and put from CouchDB. Let's start the CouchDB first. This is the domain from my project, and I use the port 5984. And I can go to the database page. There is a file. There is a database item called test file. I would like to use Postman to test get and put method. In test file, there is user1 in the here, and I would like to get it from by using Postman. We can see if we use to get from this link, we can see the test file document count is 1, and if we get the user1 and the details are shown on the screen. For put, I would like to put this JSON called user2 and user2 comments, and I create a user2 in the test file and send. The status is OK and the request is true, and now we refresh the web page and user2 is here, and when we get user2 we can send and we can get the request, and the details are shown on the screen. I would like to talk about the server.js. Server.js is used for the process of the server that's put into the PI. So the server have two functions, that's the push function and the get function. Server.get. It is used for listen about the X0 port, what happened on this, and give the request as and response to each other. And this free if statement is used for the TDD, which means the test driven development, used to check about the authorization. Here is the URL of my project domain, and the request is separate on the status code 404 and the status code 200. It is used for different action between different status code, and also get method is also have 404 and 200. It's 305 CDE challenge 2. Let's look on the website HTML. There is 5 columns for user to enter their information to create a new account. Let's see that if I don't follow the rules, what happened on that? And click submit. It shows a alert message that there is something wrong, please enter again. So I follow the rules this time. And click submit. It is work on saving the information to create a new account. What happens if the username is exists and click submit? There is a existed user, please enter another username. It is because it can't save it correctly, so it displays this message again. So I save another name and 24 years old and save another one. And 33 years old and submit. There are 3 accounts in my list and the average age is the sum of the age divided the number of accounts. And we can sort by the name and the first one is Anna Wong and Roy Wong and Wong Hill. And if we sort by age, the first one is 12 and then 24 and the last one is 33. There is another function that's sorted by the age in the list. If we sort smaller than 15 and filter it, it just shows the 12 years old and the username is test1. If we sort by 20x and the 24th one is shows on the screen on the list also. And if we bigger than 20x, it just shows the test 3 which is 33 years old. This is 305 CDE Challenge 3. Let's look at the HTML. There are 2 items loaded from the JS document in the item column. There are 2 items which is item 1 and item 2. The description and price are different to others. If we click on the show basket, there is no item inside the basket. If we add one item 1 basket to add to the basket, the item 1 is shown on the basket state and the number of item 1 is 1. The total cost is 2. If we add totally 5 item 1 and 5 item 2 and show the basket, the total number cost is sum of the 2 items and the number of the items. Thanks for watching this video.